Are you tired of dealing with Microsoft Edge opening automatically on your PC every time you start it up? You're not alone, and you've come to the right place. Welcome to the channel. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent Microsoft Edge from launching on startup. Sometimes Edge sneaks into your startup list, which means it launches the moment you log into your computer. Here's how to fix that. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. You can also right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. You'll see a list of all the applications that start up with your computer. Look for Microsoft Edge in the list. If it's there, right-click on it and select Disable. This will prevent it from opening automatically when you start your computer. Another way to do this is by going to Settings. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings, and then go to Apps and select Startup. Here you'll find a list of apps that can start automatically. Find Microsoft Edge and toggle it off. This should prevent Edge from opening up every time you turn on your computer. Sometimes scheduled tasks can cause Edge to open automatically. Let's check there as well. Type Task Scheduler into the Start menu search and open it. Look through the Task Scheduler library for any tasks related to Microsoft Edge. If you find any, right-click on the task and choose Disable. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically. Remember, these steps won't uninstall Edge or prevent you from using it when you want to. They'll just give you control over when it opens. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.